Hello, I want to take a minute to clarify Principle 10 because I think it's the most difficult principle to understand. The principle is, in the short term, there's a trade-off between inflation and unemployment. So the basic idea here is that in the short term, prices cannot perfectly adjust in an economy. So some prices will stick when the central bank increases money supply. So in the United States, the central bank is the Federal Reserve, and if the Federal Reserve increases the money supply, people will have more money. In the short term, prices don't instantly go up, so they have more money. They feel wealthier, prices aren't higher, they buy more goods and services. As they buy more goods and services, businesses have more orders, and to help fill these orders, they need more people. As they hire more people, the unemployment rate goes down. So here's the trade-off, right? You add money to the economy, in the short term, the unemployment rate will drop. However, this will eventually push up the inflation rate because we saw with Principle 9 that as you print more and more money in the economy, that typically creates inflation. Hopefully this video helps kind of clarify this principle, and we'll talk more about it later on in the course.